place.
What?
Crap. Okay.
Get your feet away from me.
Don't we do it with bigger marshmallows though?
Yeah, but you don't have any, do you?
No.
This is gonna take forever. Okay, well we're doing the Chubby Bunny contest with tiny little marshmallows. Okay, so we take turns. So I'll give you like, I have to make this faster, so I'll give you like one.
How about you just do it and then I do it?
Okay.
Okay.
No, we have to do it together.
Okay. Well.
So take 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, just.
Take 6 at each time. Because it has to be even. Because it's a race. Whoever has like the biggest mouth.
Yeah, but just
Take
reach
6.
it.
No, because it has to be even. So no one's cheating. Take 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There we go. So we take turns saying Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
You can't eat them either.
Oh.
Or chew them.
What?
Good. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, fat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're chewing.
No, I'm pushing to the side.
Okay.
Stop saying.
I'm not.
There's a loving.
swallowing them without chewing.
Same here.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah. That was like torture. I like started
Let's
salivating.
never do this with Cheetos. Never.
I know.